guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a spring Easter look using the new Kylie Jenner Calm Before the Storm palette. And I'm really liking this look. It's so girly and fresh. I love it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe, like this video, leave some comments. And if you don't follow me on Instagram already, my @ name will probably be right here for you. So go ahead and follow me on that so you're updated on when I'm filming and all of that good stuff. I had so much fun filming this video. If you want to see how I created this look, I'm gonna get started probably now. We're getting close. We're getting real close today. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with the Fenty Beauty primer. I really focus on the nose area because that's where my makeup likes to move. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my brows. I typically like to do my brows first. So today I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. And I'm in the shade, this is the shade Taupe because I bought it when I had blonde hair. And I honestly could probably go a little darker. That's okay, it works. And then I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow brush. It's a really nice angled brow brush with a spoolie on the back. I typically start in the middle and outline and go down. That wasn't my best work, but we're just gonna move on because I'm done. I'm done. Okay, now for foundation, I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. I found this in my kit the other day and I was like, oh, I forgot I bought this. I bought it like a year and a half ago. I was like, oh, let me just try it out, see like why I stopped using it. And I don't know why I stopped using it. It is so beautiful on the skin. Unfortunately, this is a little too dark for me. I bought this in the summertime when I had a little bit of a tan, so I'm gonna be mixing the Pro Matte with my Fit Me Dewy and Smooth so that it matches my skin a little better. I always pour too much. I don't like these. You can tell how different these colors are. So I'm gonna mix that together on the back of my hand and then bam. It is so beautiful out today in Washington. And it's warm too. Like I had the air conditioning on when I was driving home today. I was like, so I'm going in with a damp beauty blender. This beauty blender is the brand Beauty Blender. How many times can you say that in a row? Beauty blender, beauty blender, beauty. I'm gonna go ahead and pat that in. And I do like to go down. And I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm in the shade Fair Neutral. I'm gonna go ahead and put that under my eyes and a little on my forehead. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? Okay, concealer is blended. Now I'm going to go in with translucent powder to set my concealer. And I'm going to be using the e.l.f. translucent powder. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender. And I'm actually going to leave it there, set like this, just in case I have any fallout from the eyeshadow that I'm about to use. This is a good technique. It'll catch the eyeshadow if it falls out and then you can just wipe it away. Now for eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with this Kylie Jenner Calm Before the Storm palette. Such a gorgeous palette. I wasn't going into this video really knowing what look I was going to do, but I'm kind of digging these purple shades. I don't normally do these kind of shades, so I'm just gonna kind of do what calls to me. I'm gonna start with this pink shade and it's called True Love, and tap off the excess and go right into my crease, and I'm gonna go above the crease as well. Just blend that out. This is a really pretty soft pink. Go back and forth and use circular motions just to really blend everything out. Then I'm going to go in with this purple color. Don't judge my nails, I need to get them down really bad. This purple color is Aquarius. This is my first time putting these colors, other than the pink ones, on my lid, so here we go. Oh, this is really pretty. purple is so beautiful, and I feel like the camera isn't picking up how pretty it is, and it's bugging me. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Amethyst. So if you can tell, this purple has hints of blue in it as well when it hits the light. It is so gorgeous. So I picked up quite a lot, and I'm gonna put that on the inner corner and then go towards the center of my lid. Oh, honey. I'm living. This is bomb. I'm gonna go back in with this pink shade right here and just go over and just kind of blend everything out. My camera just like keeps stopping this video. I don't know why. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe away this translucent powder because we are done with the eyes. Okay, let's finish the rest of the face. I'm gonna go in with bronzer, and I'm gonna be using my MAC Matte Bronze Bronzing Powder. And I'm using my Morphe R10. That was upside down. If you are looking for new makeup brushes, new affordable makeup brushes, I highly suggest Morphe. Morphe also has amazing affordable palettes for pretty much any mood you're in. They have like a whole palette with just like warm neutral tones. They have very colorful palettes. Obviously the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette is one of my favorites, so, and it's all very, very affordable. The Morphe Jaclyn Hill was, I think, $36, but normally the rest of them are about $23, and you get, what, like 20-ish shades, something like that. I just dropped that palette. To do the jawline and down my neck. There's my elf ear, hey. Now I'm gonna go in with blush. The same blush I pretty much use in every video, and that is MAC Melba. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the apples of my cheeks. I'm gonna go back to my eyes, and I think I'm gonna do this light blue shade right here. Put this on my bottom lid just to add a little something, something. Kind of just making this up as I go, you guys. Okay, I decided to add a little bit of that green underneath as well, and then it stopped recording. So I'm gonna keep going, and I am obsessed with this green. Oh my goodness. Now I'm just gonna go in with mascara. I do love a good wing, and I think that would look really great with this look too, but I really just wanna keep it sweet, simple, girly, springy, all of the above. I'm just gonna go in with mascara. You could add liner, you could add lashes, do you? I'm gonna keep it simple. So I'm gonna curl my lashes. Then I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. mascara. This one is the Waterproof Length and Volume Mascara. I've also been using this like lash boost by Roden & Fields, and I can tell that it's really working. So that's exciting. I actually just put mascara on and didn't get it anywhere. Praise. I always get it on my face somehow. Somehow, always. Hallelujah. Last but not least, highlight. Okay, this time I'm not gonna use Champagne Pop. I'm gonna use Prosecco Pop, okay? It's different. Where's my highlighting brush? This is my favorite. It's the best highlighting brush. It's Morphe M5 110. I'm gonna go in with Prosecco Pop. It's this one right here. Here. Should I do a lip color? Should we do it? Should we do the bold? I don't know. Ooh, pink. Gloss. Oh, that's a tough one. Okay, I decided on the gloss because I just want to keep this very soft and sweet. but this bold lip would be bomb too. Maybe in another video. Okay, the lip gloss I'm using is by Bare Minerals, and it is the shade Groovy, and it's this really pretty like pale pink. This completes this look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If you recreate this in any way or do a fun spring look, please message me on Instagram, reach out to me. I love seeing your guys' creativity and what you put together. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!